Good morning everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Jakub Vaniš and today I'm gonna show you how to hide distracting items in macOS Sequoia in the newest build. And this is very nice because you can also use it in iOS. So if you are like me and maybe you're not using Chrome but Safari, then maybe you don't have really some ad blocker, installed, and your web like surfing experience is kind of riddled with a lot of these distracting items and different ads that you can definitely hide here. And it's quite simple. All you need to do is find this button next to the web page, next to the URL, and if you click on this, you can click on hide distracting items, and all you need to do then is basically click on what you want to hide, and see it disappears like this. I can scroll down. This is an ad. This is definitely an ad. All right, and when you're done, you can just click done, and the page looks way cleaner. And now it's gone. So it should remember, but of course those ad makers are making it a bit more difficult. Let's try it on this one. So once again, I can click here, hide distracting items. So I need to hide this. I then need to hide this and maybe this. And it's just way cleaner experience. This is how it was, meant to be. Let me see if I refresh, if it's there. If it's again there, I somehow need to maybe save it. Let me figure out how to do that. Complete, and keep hiding it. Show hidden items. I can come back. Let's try it also with this one. They all seem to be basically very similar in this. Oh, okay. Now it disappeared almost completely, but as you can see, now it's way cleaner this way. Navigating through the web page is just, it feels like, I don't know, 2010 or something like that, when there were not that many banners. So let me know what you think about it in the comments. Do you find this useful? I can also record a video how to do it on iOS. It's very simple, very similar stuff. So let me know what you think about it. Otherwise, if you want to help me out and support this channel, just hit the subscribe button or the like button. That always helps with the algorithm just right. So thanks a lot and wish you a great day. Bye bye.